Hello friends. So in this video we will learn dependable drop down. So what is this? We just see if I just select this group, I have created a group of some items. If I select the fruit group, I get the list of only the fruit group. If I select only the dairy product and I get the list of only the dairy product. And how this has been created from this old database, let's start learn that. So this is my database where I have to create this group and the material depending on the group which I have selected. So this we are making by using the Excel 365 formulas which are unique and filter, which is available if you have Excel 365 or if you have Excel 2021. If you have Excel 2019, then you cannot use this formula. So first we require the group. So here from the group I have to extract the unique list. So I will use the unique formula, unique, and I will select my this all database. Out of this is I require the unique list. So I will get the unique list of item here, and also in this you can also sort this into your order so that your data, your filter list should be sorted also. So just type the sort bracket start and bracket close. Now my this item list is sorted. Also, and now I have to just refer this data validation to this cell only. And there is a one magic in 365 formula is when we just select this cell, and if we add hash here, by default it select all this value. So we can use this hash key to select this all value. Let's start. Just select the cell where you want your grouping to be done. Data validation. Just go to data. Go to data validation. Here I required list and my source is this cell, and here's the magic of hash key. Just type the hash key, it will select the whole the formula up to where it will go. Even if value is added, it will go behind that. We can see this later. We will show you that. Just click OK. Now my work is done. All thing is done. Suppose any new product is added. Suppose fruit 2 is being added. By default it has been added here. If it is been reduced, and it is being reduced here. So now here's the magic of getting the material list depending on what I have selected here. To get that, we will use the new formula of filter formula. So just type filter here. I will share the description of how to use unique and filter formula in my in this description, so that you can go there and learn this formula. In filter you have to select the array what I want, because I want material here. I will select the material database here, all this cell till the end, comma, and now what is to be included in that. So I will refer to this cell D4. When nuts is selected, then it will give me the result of where the nuts is equal. So nuts are coming in this array, so I will ask him to search this nuts in this database is equal to this. I have make this main database in the table form, so that whenever anything new thing is being added, automatic my table get updated. Otherwise it will refer as a cell number A4 to cell number A26. So just bracket closed. See the magic. I am getting the list depending on what I have selected. If I select fruit, I will get the list of fruit. If I select nuts, I will get the list of fruit. And the better option, just sort your filtered option. I just type sort formula, bracket start, and then bracket close. Work done. Now just I have to refer this values to this cell for making a drop down. Just go to the data, then go to data validation. Here I want list, and my source is this value. Refer this. Just click OK. This is the hash key. By this all this formula get selected. These are the dynamic array feature which is available in Excel 365. Click OK. Just see, now my work done. If I select nuts, I will get the list of nuts. If I select vegetables, I get the list of all vegetables. So by using this unique and filter formula, you can create a dependable drop down within a second. Previously in older version it takes you much of time, much complexity. You have to use indirect formula, index and match, and then get to this result. So by this way you can create this very easily. Thanks for watching this video.